One of the main reasons why people fail to lose body fat or fail to lose weight is the inability to recognize the main causes behind. And one of the most unaddressed causes for fat gain is the inflammatory factor. What many people fail to understand, that fat gain is an inflammatory process. Moreover, this process is promoted by the fat tissue themselves, particularly the most bioactive tissues, which are visceral fat, such as belly fat around the belly or next to the internal organs. Fat tissue produce pro-inflammatory hormones called cytokines. Most notable among them are TNF-alpha and interleukin-6, which have shown to cause insulin resistance and inhibit fat loss. So how do you counteract it? This process is actually getting worse when you eat meat and animal products that are derived from overfed animals, which their fat is also bioactive, and you get all this hormone to your body, which further promote inhibition of fat loss and fat gain. One of the solutions is, first of all, to eat anti-inflammatory foods. Anti-inflammatory foods particularly coming from plant, vegetables, fruits, and dairy. In the dairy, the most notable anti-inflammatory food is called the whey protein. And the reason? There are two compounds that antagonize and counteract these pro-inflammatory fat-gaining hormones. One of them is calcium, and the other one is the amino acid leucine. The combination of both is extremely powerful to counteract this pro-inflammatory process and actually promote anti-inflammatory activity and fat loss. The most important compound that the calcium and leucine promote is called interleukin-15. Interleukin-15 is another cytokine that can be produced by muscle cells as well, but accelerated and promoted by the combination of calcium and leucine, particularly leucine. You can find calcium and leucine in virtually all foods, but particularly in dairy, and the richest source in the world is whey protein. That's one of the main reasons why whey protein has been linked to successful weight loss and leaning down. It has fat-burning properties, and they are linked primarily to this effect. But make sure that your whey protein is coming from whole source, not whey that is derived from skim milk or whey that is isolated. You really want to have a whole whey derived from a whole milk that contain all the minerals and the calcium, and have that it's non-denatured and have all the amino acids to support your metabolism.